Hi everybody, Jeff Mays here. I wanted to give you a quick update of what's going on with our insurance rates in Washington due to the insurance commissioners changing the rules of using credit for rating insurance. What happened a year ago was we were unable as an industry to use credit any longer. So all the good driver, good payer discounts went away from your rates. A lot of people saw rate increases that had renewals come in between June and the end of the year. That rate increase was due mainly to exactly that ruling. When the industry and public groups got together and fought this in November, the ruling was overturned and we went back to using credit for a few months. Some carriers were approved, some weren't, but in general, the discounts came back in November for both home, auto, and other types of personal insurance. And then in January, the commissioner once again decided to make a permanent rule that we couldn't use credit. Well, now, last month, we've seen a ruling come out of Superior Court in Washington saying that that's not right. So until it's all resolved, it's probably going to bounce around a bit more. But in most cases, all the companies are going back to using credit as soon as they can get their rates approved and get them published in the computers for us to quote with. The good news is that if you had a renewal in this last year and the rates went up and I couldn't find you a better deal, we can probably rewrite your policy and get a better rate. That'll start happening in July and August when everybody's approving that for renewals automatically. Or if there's a time before then, we may have to go with a different approach until we get to that July or August time. These things take time because companies have to go in and update their computers. They have to get things approved by the insurance commissioner's office. And in general, it's expensive and a timely process to do that. We've had a couple carriers pull out of Washington because of all these changes. And whether that's good or bad, it does change what we can offer. Right now, we still offer 10 different carriers that do home, auto, and specialty type insurance. So we're able to help you as a personal lines customer get the best deal and still shop for that. So if you're seeing a rate increase, please let me know. I'm happy to go shopping for you. We'll put some things together. It's taking a little bit more time than normal because we're doing that a lot these days, and we'll get it done as soon as we can. But we will be able to look at 9 other companies other than the one you have to see if we can come up with a better deal. Thanks for understanding. I appreciate your confidence in staying with the agency. I appreciate you as my customer, and I hope that we can continue to serve you now and in the future. Thanks so much.